Hey guys, this is Josh from the Airdrop Gold YouTube channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the BonkBot trading bot interface on Telegram. Before we start, if you want the access link, it's in the caption below. Just a quick note, this bot charges a 1% fee on successful trades, but don't worry, at the end of the video I'll introduce an alternative option. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it really helps me out, and I appreciate it. Alright, let's get into it. I'll explain the BonkBot settings step by step so you can easily set it up for trading on the Solana blockchain. The interface is clean and user-friendly, designed to make your trading smooth and efficient. 1. General Settings. The first section is General Settings. Here the language is set to English, with a small British flag emoji next to it. There's also an option called Minimum Position Value, which is set to 0.01 TOTS. That means the bot will only track positions worth at least 1/1000th of a dollar, keeping you focused on trades that matter. 2. Auto Buy. Next up is Auto Buy. In the interface, this is disabled, and there's a red circle next to it labeled Disabled. If it were enabled, the bot would automatically buy 0.10 SOL worth of tokens for you. SOL is the cryptocurrency for the Solana blockchain, by the way. Since it's disabled, you'll need to manually trigger your buys, which is probably better for beginners. 3. Security Config. Then, there's the Security Config section. This is important for keeping your account safe. There's an option to set up Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA, but it's currently unchecked, meaning it's not turned on. I recommend enabling this for extra security. There's also an option called Disable Swap Auto Approve, and it's not specified whether it's on or off, but if enabled, it would require you to manually approve each swap, preventing accidental trades. 4. Buy Buttons Config. Now, let's look at the Buy Buttons Config. This is super convenient for quick trades. The left button is set to buy 1.00 SOL worth of tokens, and the right button is set to 5.00 SOL. That means with just a click, you can buy tokens without having to enter the amount each time. 5. Sell Buttons Config. Similarly, in the Sell Buttons config, the left button is set to sell 25% of your position, and the right button sells 100%. There's also an option called Sell Initial Enabled, marked with a green circle, meaning it's active. I think this allows you to quickly sell your initial investment, which can be useful for locking in profits or minimizing losses. 6. Slippage Config. Lastly, there's the Slippage Config. Slippage is the difference between the price you expect and the price you actually get when your trade executes. Here, both buy and sell slippage are set to 10%, which is a standard setting. It means you're allowing up to a 10% price change to ensure your trade goes through. At the bottom of the interface, there's a message input area where you can type commands or messages to interact with the bot directly, letting you execute trades or adjust settings as needed. So, that's the BonkBot interface in a nutshell. It's designed to be user-friendly and efficient, with quick buttons for buying and selling, and settings you can tweak to match your trading style. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced, these settings give you a solid starting point. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this from me, Josh, at Airdrop Gold. Oh, and if you're looking for something different, stick around. I'll share that alternative option now. Alternative option. If the BonkBot's fees or features aren't quite right for you, our team recommends BullX Neo. It offers advanced automation capabilities that can really enhance your trading. Unfortunately, you can't use BullX Neo without an access code, but don't worry, we've got it for you. Check the captions for the links and details to get started.